Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install or run Android TV in your Windows PC. So if you just want to do this, you have to install Android Studio from the official website of this application. So once you install it, you're going to open and click on add a new device. Then you can create virtual device, and after that you will get this list. And this list, you go on TVs. So you have Android TV, go choose the resolution of the TV you want to create, and you will get the setup to download. For example, we have Google TV, Android TV, but in this video I want to show you how to run Android TV. That's why I already choose this one. Then we're gonna check for additional settings. We have RAM, just gonna make a 4 GB of the RAM. Then we're gonna finish it, and you can see our TV is ready. Then you're gonna launch it and wait a few seconds until your PC gonna launch the Android TV. And here you can see Android TV is ready just in 2 minutes. So we got the apps to download the TV applications to a Windows PC. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go just open up or find out the Play Store to download the Android TV application. So let me sign in to my Gmail account. Once I just sign into my account, you can see I got all the TV applications. So for the first test, I'm gonna download the HBO Max. So I'm gonna click on install, and here you can see it's now downloading the HBO Max. And once it has been downloaded, I'm just gonna click to open, and you can see it's working great. I'm just gonna click on accept all and sign into my HBO Max account. So this is all about how to run Android TV in 2 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.